Hello guys, how are you? Today, I will show you how to generate AI video. AI is must dangerous, that's why. Now, I will talking about AI. Check this video.
Acho.
This is an AI generated video. Wait, if you are new on my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, let's start the video. First, go to the Gemini. Click on the arrow. After writing it, the video is ready in few minutes. Now let's play a video.
We are not a man. We are an AI.
Nice. If you are not understand, comment on the video. No more today, okay? I understand how to use this. Now, if you want to see how to buy AI subscription for free, comment on this video and don't forget to like the video. That's all for today. May Allah save you.